Assalamu alaikum student. Here's your ma'am. Welcome back to the topic of chapter 21. I hope you all are fine at your home. So let's start. Chapter 21, Islam first reaches the subcontinent. That is on page 94 to 99. Today we are going to start our part 4, means lesson 4. Today's topic, the Mongols, on page 97, about the Chengiz dynasty. Razia Sultana on the page number 98. Alauddin Khilji on the page 98 as well. Objective of today's topics: to learn about the origin of the Mongols. Second, to know the consequences of the invasion made by the Mongols. To study about the rule of Razia Sultana and Balban of Mamluk dynasty. You all know that Mamluk dynasty is also known as slave dynasty. To learn about Alauddin Khilji of Khilji dynasty. Eliciting of previous lesson. Dynasty studies in this lesson: the Gauris, ruled by Muhammad Gauri and his brother Ghazuddin Muhammad. This is the picture of Gauri. Delhi Sultanate, its foundation was laid by Qutbuddin Aibak, the first ruler of the Sultanate of Delhi or Mamluk dynasty. Iltutmish, he was the third ruler of Mamluk dynasty, ruling the Delhi Sultanate. Eliciting of lesson 3. As you all know that we have been revising the previous lesson, so today I have made some true and false for your convenience. The first one, the small state of Ghazni was ruled by two brothers. Muhammad Gauri invaded India and his brother invaded Central Asia. Number 3, after the death of Muhammad Gauri, Iltutmish became the Sultan. Number 4, Qutbuddin Aibak was the first Muslim ruler of all northern India. Number 5, Qutub Minar is situated outside Bombay and 80-meter high. Number 6, Aibak died in 1212, followed by his son-in-law Iltutmish. Number 7, Mongols invaded India under the command of Genghis Khan. You will all revise your lesson and mark the true and false in your notebook. You can copy from here. Now the next topic on page 97, the Mongols. Origin of the Mongols. First we will know about the Mongols. The Mongols were tribes who originally came from Mongolia but who travelled across the great plains of Central Asia with their animals. They were very fierce warriors and fought bitterly among themselves. Tribes mean a group of people who travels in groups. Fierce, बहुत जंगजू किस्म के. Warriors, जिनको हम कहते हैं आर्मी टाइप फौजी, लड़ने मरने वाले. बिटरली स्वीयर की सेंस में आता है. This is the map of Central Asia. You can see here. This is Mongolia. This is Russia. This is Afghanistan and Iran. The 5 states of Afghanistan, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan. ये सब आपको यहाँ नज़र आ रही होंगी. Invasion made by the Mongols. First invasion they made in 1207. They attacked the settled countries all around them, seizing an empire from China sea to Russia. In second invasion they made in 1221 they invaded India, but after a battle against Iltutmish's army they went back to Central Asia. Change of religion. When Genghis Khan died, later the Mongols became Muslims. They were called as Mughals, which is the Persian version of their name. As you all know that previously we studied that Genghis was also a slave and he was the ruler of slave dynasty. After the death of Genghis Khan, he was also a non-Muslim और उसके बहुत से फॉलोअर्स थे जिन्होंने उसको टेकअप किया और वो सब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता उस रीजन या उस डायनेस्टी को छोड़ते गए और वहाँ पर बहुत से दूसरे लोग जो आकर उनको उस टेरिटरी को या उस डायनेस्टी पर हुकूमत करते रहे। तो वहाँ क्या हुआ कि वो जो नॉन मुस्लिम थे वो पहले मुगल्स हुए और फिर मुगल्स के बाद वो मुस्लिम बने, और इस तरह वो बहुत से लोगों के साथ वो जो दूसरे लोग थे उन्होंने उसको कैप्चर किया और उसको उस डायनेस्टी को रन किया। इसलिए वो पहले मुगल्स हुए फिर मुस्लिम हुए और ये सब नॉन मुस्लिम थे। रज़िया सुल्ताना, पेज 98. First we will introduce take the introduction of Razia. Razia Sultana was the daughter of Shamsuddin Al-Tutmish. After his death, she became the ruler of the Delhi Sultanate in the northern part of the Indian subcontinent. She is notable for being first female Muslim ruler of the Indian subcontinent. This is the territory of Razia Sultana. You can see the whole part. This was the under the rule of Razia Sultana. She was very capable. As you know, after the death of शमसुद्दीन अल्तुतमिश, उसके बेटे जो थे वो इतने ज़्यादा केपेबल नहीं थे, और रज़िया सुल्ताना शी वॉज अ ब्रेव लेडी और उसने उस वक्त इस डायनेस्टी को टेकअप किया और इस तरह उसने उसको वहाँ पर अपनी हुकूमत कायम की। Ruling period of Razia Sultana ruled the country from 1236 to 1240. The nobles of Delhi did not like Razia as ruler of Delhi. वहाँ के नोबल्स वो थे जो बहुत ज़्यादा अमीर थे और बहुत ही प्रिविलेजेस वहाँ पर ऑलरेडी वो अवेल कर रहे थे, और वो रज़िया सुल्ताना को पसंद नहीं करते थे एंड कॉन्स्पिराइज्ड, और उसके बारे में वो कोई ना कोई साजिशें करते रहते थे अगेंस्ट हर, एंड शी गॉट मर्डर, और उन्होंने उसका मर्डर करवा दिया और इस तरह उसकी वो जो सल्तनत थी वो वहाँ से उन्होंने से ख़त्म कर दिया। नाउ वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द बालबन। इंट्रोडक्शन। Balban's full name was Ghazuddin Balban. He was the chief general of Nasruddin Al-Tushmish's grandson. He controlled the empire for 20 years on behalf of his master Nasruddin. Balban also had to fight off the Mongol invasions. You can see the picture of Balban. Ruling period of Balban. When Nasruddin died, the nobles made Balban the new emperor. He ascended the throne in 1266 and stayed as a sultan until his death in 1287. हम इसी तरह अलाउद्दीन खिलजी डायनेस्टी के बारे में भी पढ़ेंगे। वहाँ पर अलाउद्दीन खिलजी का नाम बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है। यू कैन सी द पिक्चर ऑफ अलाउद्दीन खिलजी। द ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट अलाउद्दीन खिलजी। अलाउद्दीन खिलजी वॉज द second and the most powerful emperor of the Khilji dynasty that ruled the Delhi Sultanate in the Indian subcontinent. Alauddin Khilji, as a ruler, Alauddin Khilji proved to be a capable and good leader. He set up systems for good governance. As a soldier, he was even more successful in driving out the Mongols and conquering much of southern India. You can see the part of conquered by the Alauddin Khilji. Home assignment. You will note down these questions in your notebook. The question 1. When and why did the Mongols attack the settled countries all around them? Number 2. What was the new name of Mongols? In which year did the Mongols invade India and what was its result? Who was Razia Sultana? Why was Razia Sultana murdered? How did Balban became an emperor? How was Alauddin Khilji as a ruler? Who was Nasruddin? You can take help from the page number 97-98 of your book and write the answers in your notebook. You will write and learn all these questions. I hope you will revise your lesson very well, and these all things will be very good for your exams. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.